Hey Ned, one of the things we want to do, now that winter's coming, you're going to start seeing a lot of times where you're going to get precipitation and temperatures are dropping at night, and the dollies are going to start freezing at night. So one of the things you could do to break a dolly that's frozen to the ground, how do you move it? Correct. Just put the chains on there, and then get back in the truck and slowly idle out. The front of the dolly will come up, but you'll be able to drag the dolly out to where it's nice and dry, and you could hook it back up. Another thing we're asking you to do is when you're backing up on the track on your dolly, to back up with the tractor a little bit over on this side, because then this way you're always going to be in a manner where you have to lean into the dolly to get it onto the hook. As much as you try to back it up straight onto the dolly, sometimes it's not lined up correctly, and you will see drivers trying to do this. That's where you get hurt. If you back up a little over that way, you won't have to deal with that. Another trick is as you're backing up, you got this cross member right here, this cross member right here. As soon as you're looking through your back window and you see this one and this one line up together through your window, stop the truck. You're right on the hook. You're perfect. It doesn't get any better. Another thing we want to do is when you're putting the dolly on there, do not do one of these. Okay? I'm going to show you how to lift up the dolly with almost no effort whatsoever. Use your elbows and use your legs. Shoulder width apart. Put your elbows on your legs, and then just kind of lift up. And then the dolly gets to a point where it almost doesn't weigh anything because it's counterbalanced right now. Once you got it up like this and it's counterbalanced, just turn this way and lean. Just lean forward and use your right leg. Push it on there. It works every time. One thing I forgot to tell you was always drop the chains. The chains are worth about 15 to 20 pounds. And those 15 to 20 pounds with time can be enough to throw your back out of whack. All right? All right, buddy. Be careful.